Hi guys, it's Abigail, and today we're going to do makeup on me. And I have Auntie here with me is going to do my makeup. So let's start with primer.
Smashbox Photo
Finish primer.
And we only put a little dot on. It's already on your face, and your face is nice and smooth.
And it smells so good. Next is foundation.
Okay, we're gonna use Laura Geller Baked Foundation.
Auntie, can I blend the foundation on my face? I want to blend it.
I'm going to do it.
Okay. So
you put a little dot.
Yeah.
Here.
Foundation.
Here. Here. And here. On the nose. And then you're going to use your beauty blender. And you blend it in. You just blot it.
Yeah, I just blot it.
Wait, no, don't touch it with your face. Only the beauty blender. Because you want a nice and smooth finish. Let's see. Abigail has very nice skin. It's very nice and baby smooth.
I'm 6 years old, and we're going to put this on YouTube, right?
Yeah. Okay.
And now it's time for what?
Now it's nice and smooth.
What can we do next?
And then we're going to put on the contour.
Okay.
And we need to do a...
Now we're going to do contour.
No, we need to do concealer.
Okay. Concealer and then contour.
This is It Cosmetic.
Cosmetic concealer.
It Cosmetic Concealer in medium.
Okay. Let's start it. Put it under my eyes.
And you just need a tiny little dab.
Yeah, teeny.
Like that.
Yeah.
Very small.
Really small like that.
Abigail has a little face. You just want to put it under the eye. Okay. This is how I do it. I put it between my finger, like this. And then you put it under the eye. And it gets rid of dark circles. And then you use the tip of your beauty blender and you just blend it in.
This is my first video, but I do my other videos on Facebook. But I like this video to be on YouTube.
Okay. So.
Okay, now is contour time?
We're going to do contour.
Okay.
I have a trick for contouring.
What?
So,
You have a
use my contour palette.
Yeah, but
I found that I could use, it's a brown eyeshadow.
Ooh.
By Lorac. So, and I use this brush. This is a brush by Real Technique. So what I do is take a
Contour
little bit,
here, huh?
and then you hold the brush, you squeeze it like this, and then you just contour it down. You do the same on the other side.
Do it here a little bit.
Here, get a contour this side. Okay, and then you want to do this at the temple so it makes your face look narrower. Okay, we gotta blend this in. It's best if you put your hair out of your face. And then, let's see. Now you got a little contour line.
No.
That.
Are you done?
No, you kind of have to go around the face. Contour up here.
I know. Should.
And then you put a little bit.
Click down below
And then
if
you
you
wanna
like this video. Subscribe for more videos.
And then you're going to do
like
the
this.
nose. Let's see. I'll turn this way so I can see. Okay. So, now we're going to put on some blush.
Yeah, we're going to put blush.
And I'm using the Lorac Pro. Lorac Pro with the Lorac
That's how it
blush brush. And you just want to go at the cheekbones.
It's so soft.
And the cheekbone up here. Let's see. Cheekbone. You don't want to put on too much blush.
Yeah, just put a little bit. Now eyeshadow time.
And then
Eyeshadow.
use the highlighter.
Highlighter? Oh. Highlighter time and the radio art stuff. Okay. Start by doing the hair.
So this is Laura Geller's highlighter.
Okay.
Laura Geller highlighter. It comes with a little brush.
2 little brushes.
It comes with a thick end and a small end. And I use that thick end to put under the eye to highlight. So you want to highlight your cheekbones. Highlight your cheekbone here and along your blush line. Okay, and then you use the narrow end here. And you put this right down your nose, like that. And then you want to highlight the nose. And then you want to highlight the tip of your lip there, like that. And then you gotta blend it out. Always remember to blend.
Now let's blend the whole
I like to use
face.
this
Ooh,
another brush by Real Technique.
I want to feel it.
It's very
it's really
soft. So you want to blend.
Yeah, stop brushes.
And you want to blend, blend, blend. Okay. Next we go with your eyeliners.
Yeah.
Eyeshadow.
Yeah. Eyeshadow time.
So I have this palette by Lorac.
Lorac. Do you have like...
And
Oh, can I see it? I want to see. Ooh. It has a blush in it though. I want glitter on my eyes too, Auntie. I want glitter on my eyes.
okay. So we are going to use the
Lightest color in the palette.
close your eyes. We use the lightest color, which is this one right here. It's the light one. We're just gonna brush that on her eyelid. Okay, and then We're going to go with this shimmering light, the brown one right here. And then we're just going to go over her eyelid here. And you're going to blend that in. Let's see. Okay, then we're going to go with this blue shade.
Yeah, like green.
And we're just going to close your eyes. Just going to put it right at the edge here because we're going to blend that in. Always blend. The whole idea of makeup is close your eyes. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, close your eyes. Now you want to put this to the half mark. And then if you want your eyes a little bit darker, I have this dark shade right here.
I want my
It's almost
eyes.
like a black.
Oh my.
Close your eyes. We're going to put this right at the edge. And it's also kind of sparkly and shiny.
I want some glitter in here.
Hold on. Close your eyes. Okay, now we're gonna open your eyes. Okay, we'll go under her eyes a little bit. Uh-oh. Fall out. Let's see.
Oh, I like it.
Okay, now we gotta blend it. Blend. Close your eyes. And blend your makeup out. Blend, blend, blend.
Blend, blend, blend. Tweet, tweet.
Let's see. Okay, let's see.
I love it.
We made, let's see, we might have to.
I want glitter on my eyes too.
You want what?
Glitter on my eyes.
Okay, you gotta wait. Glitter. Glitter goes on last.
Okay.
Actually, I have a glitter palette.
Ooh.
This is the Tarte palette.
Palette.
And we're gonna use this color right here. This is called Dare to be Gold.
Dare to be.
We're going to use the Dare to be Gold, and it's going to be glittery.
You haven't used that one, huh?
I haven't used this one or this one. See, now it's sparkly.
What's that?
This is the finishing powder.
So, my auntie's doing some more makeup, but
Okay,
I'll
so
see my nails.
we're going to use this to finish her brows. We got to comb it first.
My brows. Do you have eyeliner?
So we're going to, this is for her brows. You just want to do it lightly. Just want to fill it in.
That's mascara.
Let's see, and this is the
It's Kit.
It Brow Power. And you just want to use light strokes.
That's the mascara is beautiful.
Okay, then you want to brush this out. And
it's
then we're going to use
beautiful.